Greetings, friends. It's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I have another collage in my fairy tale alphabet series, and this one is The Lame Fox. And so here is the story. There once was a strange man with one eye weeping and the other smiling. Out of curiosity one day, the man's 3 sons asked him why one eye was weeping and the other smiling. So he told them that on one hand he was very happy to have 3 wonderful sons, but on the other hand he was very sad because a special fruit vine that he used to have in his garden had been stolen. Well, immediately the 3 sons vowed that they would get it back for him. At a certain crossroads, the 3 brothers went their different ways, and each brother met with a lame fox. The lame fox begged for bread, and the first 2 brothers both chased him off, throwing rocks at him and sticks. But the youngest son, when he came upon the lame fox, had pity on him and gave him his bread. In gratitude, the fox told the youngest son where to find the lost vine. He told the son to dig it up with a special wooden shovel. But when the son got to the place, he found an iron shovel there and decided it would be stronger to dig with. Well, using it, unfortunately, caused noise and woke the guards, and the boy was caught. His captors told him that they would give him the vine if he brought them a golden apple, and then they set him free. The boy went back to the lame fox and asked where he could possibly find golden apples. And the fox told him where it would be, but told him to use a wooden pole to get the golden apple. When the boy got to the apple tree, he found a golden pole, and there he decided that he would use it instead of the wooden one. But the noise the golden pole made woke the guards, and the boy was caught. They told him they would let him have an apple if he could bring them a horse that could circle the world in one day. When he got back to the fox, he told the boy where to find such a horse, but told him to use a hemp halter on the horse instead of a golden one. When the boy found the horse, he discovered that there was a golden halter there and decided it would be much nicer than the plain hemp halter. But again, the golden halter woke the guards, and they captured the boy. They told him that if he could bring them a golden maiden who had never seen the sun or moon, they would let him have the horse. He persuaded the guards to let him borrow the horse in order to find such a maiden, and so he set out. The fox then showed him a cave where the maiden would be found and was guarded by a troll. When he brought her out after defeating the troll, the fox said that it was a shame he had to give her to those guards. So the fox decided to change himself into a look-alike golden maiden, and he gave the fox in exchange for the horse, gave the horse in exchange for the apple, gave the apple in exchange for his father's golden vine, and went home with the real golden maiden, and they were married. Actually, this story is much longer, and then there's certainly a moral. He should have listened to the first time to the fox and not gotten into all this trouble. In this collage, I have hidden a bunch of extra things. There is, down at the bottom of the screen, you can see a hot dog. In the fox's back, a red fire engine. A bottle of ketchup. There's also a little bird, a red-headed princess, seemed appropriate to me, pumpkins in the boy's cheeks, a Jack Frost, and a black castle. As you can see, what I do is I draw the picture out first in pencil and then cut or tear pieces of paper that will work. I use everything from old magazines to old wall calendars to circulars that come in the mail, anything that has nice, heavy, shiny paper. You see the freckles there on the boy's neck. It's actually a Japanese fan, but the orange worked so well, and you can't really tell what it is, only I know because I saw it in the original photo, and now it's much too small. And here are the pumpkins I'm putting in. This is a Serbian fairy tale, so I made the boy rather tan with dark hair. This fairy tale actually had two names. One was The Laughing Eye and the Weeping Eye, and the other was The Lame Fox. The first one just seemed like way too long a name, and I needed an L, so it worked for my alphabet book. I think the moral of the story, beyond taking expert advice, is to show kindness wherever you can, because it was the boy who showed the kindness to the fox that managed to complete the task he went on. He found the vine, he brought back a golden maiden. Certainly the story is much longer than I quoted because I shortened it some for my book. It was too long. It went on and on. Technically, you could actually shorten it a little more. And so there we are, the finished illustration for the book. I love all these bright orangey red-orange colors for the fox and for the boy. I do hope you enjoyed my story and that you subscribe and check out some of my links below. I have a page on Patreon where my artwork and my books are supported by people who enjoy my work. Thanks so much for watching. Do come again. Bye, everyone.